Electricity. Electric current flow through the conductors. A lot of things around us need electricity to work. Electricity is a form of energy. Fans, bulbs, washing machines and television cannot work without electricity. These electrical devices change the electrical energy into other forms of energy. Electric circuit. The path of the flow of electric current is called electric circuit. Electric circuit makes it possible for electric device to work safely. Open circuit. A circuit that does not allow the current to pass through it is called open circuit. When bulb is switched off, the circuit opens and bulb stops glowing. Closed circuit. A circuit that allows the current to flow through it is called closed circuit. When the bulb is switched on, the circuit completes and the bulb starts glowing. And simple circuit. Every electric circuit has four basic parts: an energy source, AC or DC, a conductor, wire, an electrical load device, and at least one controller switch. A switch is used to stop or allow a current to flow in a circuit. The switch forms a bridge in the path of the flow of electricity. When the switch is in off position, the circuit is open and no current flows. When the switch is in on position, the circuit is closed and the current flows. Batteries. The battery provides energy to light up the bulb in an electric circuit. A battery is the source of energy. A battery has two poles, a positive and negative pole. Inside a battery there are chemicals. These chemicals produce electricity when the two poles of a battery are connected. Wires. A current flows through a wire when it is connected to a source of energy. A current flows through the circuit wires, which are usually made of copper. A current flow in a wire only if the circuit is complete. Conductor. Conductors are the materials that allow heat and electricity to pass through them. Iron, copper and other metals are conductor. Insulator. Insulator are the materials that do not allow the current to pass through them. For example, wood, plastic and glass.